Magandang hapon po ng Friday, September 26, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, September 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 26, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. For Friday, September 26, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for September 26, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, September 26, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.